Oh, just being able to snuggle with her when she falls asleep in my arms.
It's usually open mouth sloppy kisses.
Hearing him laugh, hearing him giggle.
They run right to you, throw their arms around you, smile.
Watching him learn and grow and be happy.
When I see her just so happy that this is what life is meant to be.
The nights.
And now he runs everywhere. Oh, you want to get down maybe? You want to come back up here?
He's mastered the terrible twos.
She's starting to imitate things, and then you have to be super careful what you say around her.
The most challenging thing about being a parent is bearing the full responsibility for every aspect.
Incessant worry and fear that something bad will happen.
I wish I could feel that pain for him.
She definitely doesn't like things in her ears, so they'll say, Julia, can we look for puppies in your ear? Is there a puppy in there? No puppies? No.
Do you like your doctors? Do they take good care of you?
What I like most about the doctors and nurses is the time that they take.
They're very professional. I really feel like they put a lot of thought into the advice they're giving us.
I just feel like I'm not just another chart. They really see me as a person.
And we're always able to get in real quick.
I get a feeling of being very welcomed every time I go to the clinic.
They take the time and make sure you understand everything fully, and I think that's why we love it so much.
I love Park Nicollet because they care for my child as much as I do.